the silica sand. That was for sand blasting, and we just put it out here as a test. I like the color of that sand.
Yeah, I do too.
But see, it's not leaving the lines.
Well, it has to get wet.
Oh, so you gotta kind of sprinkle it down and then do it?
Sprinkle it down. It has to be like wet.
What about humor me for a second and pull the button on there and make this a little bit longer and see.
Like that?
Yeah. See? Look. You like that?
Yeah, I do.
That's cool. Wow, and here I thought that rake we were going to have it really super close, but that's about right, isn't it?
That's exactly.
Especially when we're up in the house.
Yeah.
You don't want it any shorter than that. You get it too small and it pulls too close together,
yeah.
huh? That's still kind of a cool rake. I'm glad we got it, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's our test. That's with the silica sand. Now we're going to use the play sand, and I got to go get that. And then let's put the play sand next to it.
Yeah, we'll put it like here.
Right here? Okay.
Let me sweep some of these things off.
Yeah, sweep some of that, and I'll be right back.
I don't like the way it bled through.
Okay? All right. Keep her going.
All right.
50 pounds. This is the play sand, the natural play sand. We're going to try that. Right over here?
Over here.
Oh, over here, that's right. Okay. It's almost the same, a little bit darker. You want to rake it out, baby? Okay, go for it. I'm almost liking the silica sand.
I like the silica better already.
Yeah. This playground or play sand, what was it? Natural play sand.
It's thicker.
Well, go ahead.
The grain is hard.
Yeah, it's grainier.
Heavier.
Be careful, don't fall there. You can get it closer together. You know, make it closer and then drag it. Yeah, push that down. There you go. Or pull it up. There. Now see. I can tell I'm going to have to kind of watch these things and bend them every once in a while too. And we should only use this for the sand. You know, I'll get a different type of rake for the rocks and stuff.
The rocks
you know,
are
because we'll bend the tips of that. Okay, now put it out wide and see if it makes the nice swirls like this. This is what's a silica sand.
Yeah, I don't think it's going to.
Well, just try it.
It's too.
Oh, look at that.
It's too heavy.
Be careful. Okay.
It's not as fine a sand as that.
Yeah, it's not.
But then again, it needs to get wetted down.
Well, I know, but
I'll show you.
You can't like wet down the entire yard every time you want to rake it.
Well, there's a.
Because see, this here, that went fine. Oh, there's some lines here. Here, hang on to this.
Here.
Oh, okay. See that?
But
it's not as defined, is it?
It's not as defined.
I don't know. That doesn't look too bad. I mean, obviously, we put more so you don't see any dirt, but we're just doing this as a test. Which one? Stand back here and see. You know what? It's starting to sprinkle.
Is it?
Yeah. Look at the rain over here.
Isn't that awesome? How you can see everything coming?
Okay.
I like that one.
Which one would you prefer?
I like both.
I mean, I don't. Actually, in reality, this one, the play sand, looks better.
Next to this rock.
Next to the rock.
I'm gonna fill rock in here.
Next to the stone here. Stand back over here and see. See, this stone color is closer to the play sand one.
Yeah.
Don't you
But
think?
then I think it'll all bleed into each other, don't
Yeah.
you think?
Yeah. I don't know. This one's got more pebbles in it. It's got a little bit more black in it. This, which I don't mind. This one.
Oh, look at all the mounds.
Okay.
Garden.
What do you? So, all right. Well, we're gonna end up making a decision here, and we've got a bit of an area to do.
Turn the hose on and wet it down.
Okay, wet it down, and then we'll use the rake again on it.
Yeah.
Okay.